This is a Sling Psychrometer. First, remove the cap and immerse the body to saturate the wick at the end. Make sure that the wick covers the wet bulb and that the other bulb is dry. Now pull the body from the tube until the body is free. Use the tube at the end of the body to swing the body for about 1.5 minutes. After that, read the wet and dry bulb thermometers and keep note of that. You can now replace the body in the tube. Set the thermometer reading on the upper thermometer scales. Line up the wet bulb reading with the dry bulb reading and read the relative humidity indicated by the arrow. It looks like a Y.